Hi, welcome to another training session. This time we're going to look at the liquid layout feature in InDesign. Now basically what that will allow you to do is change an A4 size page quickly into another size. In this example, we're going to change it from A4 into an iPad size, which is 1024 by 768 pixels. How do you do it? Well, the secret lies with this tool over here. It's the page tool. Let me just zoom in so you can see it. So here we go, that's the page tool here. Give it a click. And then just look at the top here where it's got liquid page rule. At the moment, it will say on yours, if it says controlled by master, change it to object based. So that's what we want, object based. Now we can then use this same tool to click on an object and just have a look to see if there's a wavy line. If there's a wavy line, click it and you see a padlock. Click the padlock, it becomes a wavy line. So what basically happens is if its line's wavy, that object will adjust in size in that direction. If it's padlocked, well, it won't. So we can see at the moment, mine at the moment are both wavy here. Let me just check my columns here. I want to just change that one. So they're both wavy. Let's check this other column here, make sure these are both wavy. Excellent. So these are all fluid. So I'll know that if I change the size of the page, the columns and the picture frame will adjust. Let me just zoom out so you can all see. That's better. I'll just get rid of these menu options here. So the next thing we're going to do is going to go up to File and Document Setup. Notice that the intent here is print. If I just show you there, we're going to change it to Digital Publishing, where you can see the page size is iPad size. Now that might not come up initially, so if it does, just click on the drop down list and choose it and just note the sizes there, and then when you've done, you can click on the OK button, and then you can see your page dimensions have changed to reflect the iPad. There's a couple of things that we need to do first. So what I'm going to do here is going to go onto this black selection tool here on the left hand side and then click on the picture, right click and go to fitting, and then across and fill frame proportionally, and we can see our pictures filled. We're just going to do some adjustment here with the column, so let me just zoom out. There we go, that's good. So I'm going to use just adjust the width of it here and here, here and here. Excellent. Now lastly, I'll just bring it up a little bit here as well. There we go. I'll do the same one here as well. Good. So lastly, sorry, just bring it down a bit. There we go. So lastly, what we want to do is adjust the size of this because we've got this picture here, and I'm pretty sure the picture is quite large, but we've got this huge gap here. So we're going to use a tool over here on the left. It's called the Gap tool. Zoom in so you can see it. So it's over here on the left. It's the fourth one down, called the Gap tool. Give it a click, and then I want you to hover between the picture and the columns. Notice a grey line separates, appears over both columns there. What I'll do is just zoom out so you can see the whole picture. Let me just close that down. You see the you can see the grey line there. Click and hold your mouse button down and then drag down. You see, and as you're dragging down, more of the picture is revealed, and then you see it's the text box is small. If you do it too much, if the text boxes aren't big enough, you'll get a little, I don't know if you notice, little red cross in the bottom right hand corner, the overset text error. So I'm just going to drag it up a little bit. So if your picture is large enough, then you can do that. And here we go. It's ready for the iPad. So if you want any more information, any other training, or if you'd like us to come to your company to do classroom-based training, bringing everything that's needed, laptops, projectors, etc., and so forth, then let us know. Our website is www.computertutoring.co.uk.